Astronomers have discovered galaxies painted in stunning rainbow colors, challenging everything we thought we knew about space. These cosmic light shows are reshaping our understanding of how galaxies form, evolve, and interact across the universe. When astronomers first pointed their telescopes at these colorful galaxies, they couldn't believe their eyes. Using powerful space telescopes like Hubble and James Webb, they spotted something extraordinary: galaxies glowing with vibrant blues, reds, and even purples. These weren't just ordinary black and white space photos we're used to seeing. Instead, they revealed entire galaxies painted in spectacular colors, each shade telling us something different about the stars, gas, and dust within them. The blue areas show us where new stars are being born, while the red regions point to older star populations. What makes this discovery even more amazing is that these colors aren't just for show. They're actually helping scientists map out the different ages and types of stars within these distant cosmic neighborhoods. Let's explore what creates these amazing galaxy colors. It's like nature's biggest art show. When we see blue in a galaxy, we're looking at hot young stars burning bright and energetic. These stellar youngsters are usually just a few million years old, basically babies in cosmic terms. The red colors come from older, cooler stars that have been around for billions of years, kind of like the stellar senior citizens of space. But that's not all. When we spot purple areas, we're seeing a mix of both young and old stars living together. Green often shows up when there's glowing gas, while yellow and orange usually mean we're looking at stars similar to our sun. These colors aren't just pretty. They're like a cosmic history book, telling us the story of how each galaxy grew and changed over time. The light show we see in these galaxies gets even more amazing when we look at how gas and dust create what scientists call galactic auroras. Think of it like a giant cosmic dance. When clouds of gas bump into each other in space, they start to glow, just like the northern lights on Earth, but on a much bigger scale. These space clouds contain different elements like hydrogen and helium, and when they get excited by starlight or cosmic rays, dust particles act like tiny mirrors, reflecting and scattering light in all directions. When this happens across an entire galaxy, it creates stunning light shows that can stretch for thousands of light years. These galactic auroras help astronomers understand how matter moves and changes within galaxies. At the heart of these rainbow galaxies lies something both fascinating and powerful: supermassive black holes. These cosmic giants, weighing millions or billions of times more than our Sun, play a key role in creating these colorful displays. As matter falls into these black holes, it heats up and creates bright glowing disks around them. These disks shoot out powerful jets of energy and material, which interact with the surrounding gas and dust, lighting them up in different colors. The black holes act like cosmic painters, pushing and pulling on gas clouds, creating new star nurseries that glow blue, while also stirring up older stars into beautiful red patterns. It's amazing to think that something we can't even see can create such spectacular visual effects across entire galaxies. Let's dive into the incredible story of star life cycles and how they create colorful nebulae throughout these rainbow galaxies. When massive clouds of gas and dust collapse under gravity, they form stellar nurseries that glow in beautiful blues and greens. These colors come from hydrogen and oxygen getting superheated as new stars are born. But the real magic happens when stars reach the end of their lives. Some stars go out with a bang in spectacular explosions called supernovas, spreading elements like iron and silicon into space, creating red and purple clouds. Other stars shed their outer layers more gently, forming planetary nebulae that shine in yellows and oranges. Each color we see tells us what elements are present and how hot the gas is. It's like a cosmic recipe book written in light. These rainbow galaxies aren't just pretty. They're making scientists rethink some basic rules of physics. Traditional models can't fully explain why these galaxies shine in such vivid colors or how they maintain their brightness over millions of years. Some scientists think there might be new forms of matter we haven't discovered yet, while others suggest these galaxies might be bending light in ways we didn't think possible. A fascinating theory proposes that dark matter, the mysterious stuff that makes up most of the universe, might be interacting with regular matter to create these rainbow effects. Another idea suggests that space-time itself might be warped around these galaxies, creating a kind of cosmic lens that splits light into colors, similar to how a prism works. When we look at these rainbow galaxies, we're actually seeing light that left them billions of years ago, giving us a window into the early universe. What elements were present in these ancient galaxies? Blue light shows us that even in the universe's youth, stars were being born at incredible rates. The redder areas reveal ancient stellar populations that formed not long after the Big Bang. It's amazing to think that these colorful patterns are like messages in a bottle, floating through space for billions of years before reaching our telescopes. The search for these amazing rainbow galaxies wouldn't be possible without some seriously cool advances in telescope technology. Today's space telescopes use special light-catching mirrors and super-sensitive cameras that can pick up colors our eyes can't even see. The James Webb Space Telescope, with its giant golden mirror, can detect infrared light that shows us the warm glow of distant galaxies. Meanwhile, the Hubble Space Telescope uses advanced filters that can separate starlight into different colors, kind of like a cosmic rainbow maker. Ground-based telescopes are getting in on the action too, using special computers that can cancel out the blurring effects of Earth's atmosphere. These tools are helping us spot more rainbow galaxies than ever before. Looking at our own Milky Way, scientists are now wondering if it could evolve into a rainbow galaxy too. Our galaxy already shows some colorful features. Blue star clusters and red nebulae dot our cosmic neighborhood. The key might lie in our galaxy's future collision with Andromeda, set to happen in about 4.5 billion years. This cosmic crash could trigger massive bursts of star formation, creating new colored regions across both galaxies. The intense mixing of gas and dust could light up previously dark areas, while our central black hole might become more active, adding its own light show to the mix. While we won't be around to see it, our descendants might witness the Milky Way transform into a spectacular rainbow display. The rainbow galaxies are giving us exciting new clues about dark matter and dark energy, the mysterious forces that make up 95% of our universe. When scientists map out these colorful galaxies, they notice that the colors bend and twist in ways that only make sense if there's invisible matter pulling on them. The way light travels through these galaxies suggests dark energy might be pushing space apart differently than we thought. Some regions show unusual color patterns that could mean dark matter is clumping together in new ways. This is huge because it gives us a new way to see these invisible cosmic forces. By studying how the colors change and move, we're getting closer to solving one of space's biggest mysteries. Thanks for joining us on this colorful journey through space. These rainbow galaxies show us just how amazing our universe really is. If you enjoyed learning about these cosmic light shows, hit like, subscribe, and share with your fellow space enthusiasts.